You go to the mall and you buy that pair of sneakers you've always wanted since you were a kid. You take it home and try it on for the first time. You take a few steps and then you put it back in the box where you appreciate its beauty. Fast forward 2 years, and it's sitting in the back of your closet with all the other old worn shoes. You decided it was time to clean out your closet and throw away all unused and unwanted items. What do you think happens to that pair of sneakers? Is throwing it away your only option? What if there was another way? Every year, over 300 million pairs of sneakers make their way to our dumps and landfills. The annual global sneaker carbon footprint is about 1.4% of all total greenhouse gases produced by humans. That is a huge impact. It doesn't take rocket scientists to figure out that current conditions are not very sustainable. Luckily, the solution is right in front of us. The solution is Sneakky Klean. Sneakky Klean pioneers as the first business of its kind in Miami to provide a professional, sustainable, and technological approach to sneaker laundry and care. As a company, it's our mission to significantly reduce the number of sneakers that make their way to the landfill annually by encouraging our customers to upcycle the sneakers they already own. Our cleaning model uses sustainable products and methods, ensuring that we ourselves are not contributing to the problem. We manufacture and produce our own plant-based cleaning solutions, which do not contain any harmful chemicals. Our service allows customers to drop off their sneakers to our store or their local drop-off points around the city, which will then be cleaned and returned to them in only 72 hours. Our next goal is recycling the water we use in our cleaning process to reduce our total water consumption by 40%. Recently, we launched our mobile application, which will enable us to work with our customers on a more transparent platform. Our mobile app, SNKY, will serve as a marketplace, connecting customers who need sneaker cleaning services to local cleaners in their communities and cities. We intend to create trends encouraging customers to reuse and recycle their old sneakers. This will have a significant impact on our global effort to reduce greenhouse emissions and our carbon footprint on the planet.